Join us today as we go into the heart of the world's biggest stone quarry to learn more about the huge world of stone mining. You may be interested in what it takes to get huge rocks out of the ground. Stone extraction, which is one of the oldest methods of extracting raw materials, continues to be an important industry. Stone extraction itself is one of the oldest processes. The raw materials that are collected from quarries are used to construct a vast array of structures and things that we use on a daily basis. These include everything from roads and buildings to sculptures and monuments. The most innovative machinery is utilized by the most prestigious stone quarries in the world in order to ensure that their operations are carried out in a manner that is both efficient and secure. The significance and function of the machines and machinery that are responsible for powering these massive processes are brought to light in this article, which looks into the astonishing machines and heavy machinery that are responsible for driving these operations. An explanation of the manufacturing process involved in quarrying and mining stone. The process of quarrying involves the removal of large blocks of stone from the ground. These blocks are then processed into slabs or other shapes that are suitable for the purpose at hand. The utilization of machinery that is not only powerful but also precise is essential for this procedure in order to ensure that the operation is carried out in a manner that is both effective and of high quality. There is a wide variety of stone quarries located all over the world, and each one specialized in a certain type of stone. Granite, marble, limestone, and sandstone are all examples of material that can be found at stone quarries. There is no other quarry in the entire world that can compare to this one. A stone quarry known as the Rock of Ages may be found in Bear, Vermont, in the United States of America. It is the largest stone quarry in the world. Granite of exceptional quality has been supplied to a wide range of significant projects during the course of more than a century, during which time it has been in operation, encompassing an area that is greater than 600 acres in size. The quarry is so large and produces so much that it is essential to make use of advanced machinery in order to maintain a high level of both production and safety. Notable pieces of equipment employed in stone quarrying. In the beginning, there was a machine called a diamond wire saw machine. It is extremely required to have diamond wire saw equipment in order to successfully cut enormous stone blocks from the face of the quarry. During the process of cutting through the stone, these machines make use of a wire that is embedded with diamonds of an industrial grade. As a result, it is possible to make cuts that are precise and clean. Specifications and capabilities. Cutting speed, up to 25 meters per hour. Wire length, variable, typically ranging from 10 to 50 meters. Power source, equipped with either electric or hydraulic motors. Wire length, variable. Due to the fact that they are able to swiftly cut through hard stones like marble and granite, these equipment are absolutely necessary. In addition to this, they lessen the amount of waste that is generated and preserve the stone's integrity, both of which are essential for the production of high-quality material. In addition, chainsaw machines are an essential piece of equipment in stone quarries. This is especially true when it comes to the cutting of softer stones like sandstone and limestone. These machines involve the utilization of a chain that is fitted with teeth manufactured of tungsten carbide in order to accomplish the task of cutting through stone. The following is a list of the capabilities and specs of the machine. Cutting depth. Up to 4 meters in depth, it is possible to adjust the cutting speed, which is typically between 1 and 5 meters per minute. The power source can be either diesel or electric engines. For extraction on a large scale, chainsaws are a good choice because of the tremendous precision and speed that they give. For the purpose of achieving the best possible results throughout the cutting process, they are usually used in conjunction with diamond wire saws. Stone splitters that are powered by hydraulics are utilized in order to complete the task of reducing large blocks of stone into smaller, more manageable pieces. Through the application of hydraulic pressure to wedges that are driven into the stone, these devices are able to shatter the stone along natural fractures. Specifications and capabilities. Splitting force, up to 500 tons. Block size capacity, variable, with some block sizes being able to split blocks that are up to 3 meters broad. Power source, hydraulic pumps. The employment of these splitters is contingent upon the manufacture of dimensional stone as well as the preservation of consistency in terms of size and shape. In addition to this, they lower the quantity of explosives that are necessary. which in turn reduces the amount of physical labor that is required and increases the level of safety. Because they are responsible for the heavy lifting and transportation of stone blocks, excavators and loaders are essential pieces of machinery when it comes to the quarrying of stone. These machines are available in a broad variety of sizes and configurations, and each one is designed to be suited to a certain activity that takes place within the quarry. Specifications and capabilities. The bucket capacity can range anywhere from 0.5 to 15 cubic meters. The operational weight can range anywhere from 20 to 100 tons. The engine power can reach up to 1,000 horsepower. The bucket capacity can be adjusted to accommodate a wide range of applications. Excavators are responsible for the excavation and removal of overburden, while loaders are in charge of carrying stone blocks to the places where they will be processed. They are essential to the efficient operation of any quarry due to the fact that they are both versatile and powerful. Drilling rigs. Diamond wire saws are able to be put into holes that have been produced by drilling rigs, which are utilized for the purpose of blasting. The extraction process is simplified by these instruments, which are designed to drill precise holes in surfaces composed of hard stone. This makes the extraction method straightforward. The drilling machine has the following characteristics and specifications, which are all outlined below. Drilling depth. Up to 30 meters in depth. The diameter of the drill can range anywhere from 25 to 100 millimeters. Diesel engines or electric engines are the sources of power. Drilling rigs are an absolute requirement for the process of preparing stone blocks for extraction during the construction process. The use of these rigs guarantees that cuts and blasts are carried out with the utmost precision and under control. They make a contribution to the reduction of waste as well as the preservation of the stone's integrity. After being removed from their original site, stone blocks are frequently reduced in size through the utilization of crushers and screens. This process is known as stone block reduction. These machines are responsible for breaking down large blocks into aggregate that may be utilized, which is then sorted according to the various sizes of the aggregate. The following is a list of the capabilities and specifications of the crushing machine. The crushing capacity of this machine is up to 2,000 tons per hour. The screening size range includes a variety of mesh sizes, typically ranging from 5 millimeters to 100 millimeters. The power source might be either diesel or electric engines. Crushers and screens are essential pieces of machinery since they are used in the production of materials for use in the building industry as well as other industries. To ensure that the stone products they offer are of a particular size and that they satisfy particular quality standards, they take the necessary precautions. The incorporation of technology developments into quarry crushing and screening equipment. The evolution of quarry machinery has been driven by technological advancements, which have led to improvements in efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability. These improvements have been achieved without compromising the environment. A few important innovations are included in the following list. When it comes to classifications, the first two are autonomy and remote control. It is becoming increasingly usual for modern quarries to make use of equipment that is automated and managed remotely. This helps to reduce the amount of manual labor that is required, which in turn enhances safety. With the help of these gadgets, operators are able to control machinery from a safe distance, which considerably minimizes the possibility that accidents will take place. As a result of the utilization of precision mapping tools and global positioning system technology, quarry operators are able to plan and carry out extractions with a greater degree of accuracy. It is possible that the layout of the quarry might be optimized by the application of these technologies. Waste could be avoided and resource management could be enhanced. Quarrying methods that are less harmful to the environment have emerged as a direct result of concerns regarding the state of the environment. The utilization of equipment that produce less emissions, designs that are more energy efficient, and dust suppression systems is currently a standard practice in a great number of businesses. The detrimental effects that quarrying has on the surrounding environment are mitigated as a result of this. One of the most prominent examples of how cutting-edge machinery and ecologically friendly practices may be effectively blended in the stone quarrying sector is the Rock of Ages quarry, which can be found near Bear, Vermont. We shall investigate the specific tools and processes that are utilized in this well-known quarry in the following section of this article. Layout of the quarry and its operations. Quarry layout. The Rock of Ages quarry is comprised of a number of different areas, and each of these sections is dedicated to the selection of a certain type of granite. A meticulous plan has been developed for the layout of the quarry in order to improve operational efficiency and lessen the impact that the plant has on the surrounding environment. The following are some of the most significant operational regions. The regions that are referred to as extraction zones are the sites in which stone blocks are cut and transported away. Stone is cut, shaped, and finished in processing facilities, which are the areas used for these processes. The term waste management refers to the processes that are developed and implemented in order to manage and recycle waste material. The functioning of the machines. For the aim of cutting big granite slabs, diamond wire saws are applied in a significant number of situations. These saws provide fine cuts while reducing the amount of waste produced. When it comes to molding stone blocks into slabs and various forms, hydraulic stone splitters are truly an invaluable piece of equipment. Eliminate the necessity for explosives, which will lead to an increase in safety. Excavators and loaders are equipped to manage the heavy lifting and transportation of stone during the excavation process. In addition to this, they are outfitted with very effective GPS systems, which enable them to function with pinpoint accuracy. For the purpose of ensuring that the stone retains its structural integrity, drilling rigs are utilized to create holes for wire saws and blasting machines. It is imperative that these apparatuses be operated with a high degree of accuracy. The transformation of waste material into aggregate for use in construction is accomplished through the utilization of crushers and screens. In addition to this, they provide a contribution to the implementation of quarrying processes that are environmentally appropriate, methodologies and procedures that are sustainable. At the Rock of Ages Quarry, a number of initiatives that are environmentally conscious have been implemented, including the following. Whenever it is feasible, equipment that is energy efficient and sources of renewable energy should be utilized. Through the use of dust suppression systems, airborne particles can be reduced, thereby protecting both workers and the environment. As a means of conserving resources, water recycling involves recycling water that is used in cutting and processing. Energy efficiency. Always make use of machinery that is efficient in terms of energy consumption. What is the worldwide impact of stone quarrying, and what are its prospects for the future? Not only is the industry of stone quarrying very vital to the development of infrastructure, but it is also very important to the economy of the entire world. Stone's demand is steadily growing, with construction, architecture, and a wide range of industrial uses being the key drivers of this need. Stone is used in a variety of applications. As a result of the ongoing development of the industry, there are a number of trends and developments that are important to take note of, including the following. An increased utilization of computerized information systems. It is expected that automation will continue to play a significant role in the quarrying industry, contributing to gains in both efficiency and safety. There will be fully automated quarries built in the not-too-distant future. These quarries will be created in such a way that machines will function with minimal involvement from people. The practice of quarrying that is beneficial to the environment. The preservation of the natural environment will become an increasingly important concern in the years to come. The implementation of more environmentally responsible practices, such as the utilization of renewable energy sources, the reduction of rubbish, and the restoration of habitat, will be carried out by quarries. Advanced materials. Research into new materials and stone treatments will be carried out with the intention of boosting the flexibility and durability of stone that has been quarried. The advancements that have been made in composite materials and surface treatments will make it possible to use natural stone in a variety of applications. Businesses that deal with international trade and logistics operations. There will be an increase in the number of trade and logistical networks that are more efficient as a consequence of the globalization of the stone industry. Both the development of more efficient shipping technologies and the establishment of international standards will make it simpler to transport stone products all over the world. Integrating technology, blockchain, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are examples of technologies that will be used into quarry management, which will result in a significant shift in the direction of quarry management. Through the implementation of these technical improvements, the monitoring of resources, the administration of quality, and the transparency of operations will all be enhanced. The most vast stone quarries in the world rely on a wide array of cutting-edge machinery in order to operate in a manner that is both efficient and responsible to the environment. Instances of the most cutting-edge and advanced instances of engineering and innovation include machines such as chainsaw machines, diamond wire saws, hydraulic stone splitters, and modern excavators. These machines are examples of the most advanced and cutting-edge tools. As the Rock of Ages Quarry in Bear, Vermont, which is a testament to the successful integration of many technologies, demonstrates, stone quarrying has the potential to be more efficient and environmentally benign. This is proved by the fact that other technologies have been successfully integrated. As a result of the ongoing transformation that the stone quarrying sector is undergoing, it is projected that future advancements in automation, sustainability, and the integration of technology will have a substantial impact on the landscape of the business. The demand for stone of top quality continues to be high on a global scale, which ensures that these outstanding pieces of equipment and heavy machinery will continue to play an essential role in the extraction and processing of this timeless substance from time to time. Subscribe now to discover more about the fascinating world of stone mining and heavy machinery at the world's largest quarry.